In this video, you'll learn how to share your Amazon shopping cart with others. Start by opening your orders and cart to ensure you have the correct items you'd like to share. Next, remove any items you don't want in your cart and copy the cart link so you can easily share it with others. Click the Share button to access sharing options and generate a link if prompted. Then return to your account settings, select the business account or profile if necessary, and review instructions on how lists and sharing work. After making any needed changes, close any open menus and confirm that you've removed anything you no longer want to share. Now, adjust your delivery preferences, check return options if needed, and continue shopping or finalize your cart to share. Open account settings again, choose your lists, and select Share to generate a new shareable link. Copy the generated link, then select your browser's URL bar and paste or type the link where you want to send or save your shared cart. Finally, review the link in your address bar, copy it for sharing, and confirm you're sharing the correct shopping or wish list link. Switch between browser tabs as needed to complete sharing your Amazon cart. You've now mastered sharing your Amazon cart. Happy shopping!